Alright, never done an unboxing video. It's like watching paint dry, but I'm gonna do one. For the first time. Okay, yeah, so first off, I did cut this open earlier. Yeah, this is some Radioddity. It came priority mail, but in this kind of cheesemo bubble wrap bag. That's kind of part of the reason I started this video. Like, I noticed right off when I cut the bag, this kind of, and can't lie, used to be an overnight delivery driver at once upon a time, and I know how things work in the sorting, and yeah, and things get thrown, and yeah, bad. Once I had to deliver x-rays, literally with a tire print across the envelope and deal with the doctor chew me out. I didn't make that tire print, but yeah, that happens. Anyways, hopefully nothing was damaged. They gave me a pretty sweet deal on it. They also sent me emails letting me know it was shipped. I mean, everybody does that, but hey, it's about to be delivered. I was already watching it, but I thought that was cool. So, drum roll. Alright. So, the warranty card. Alright. Definitely have to do that. Got a manual here. See, ooh, and manual in English. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, one complete, just only English manual. No multi-language or anything. I haven't yet to read it or anything. I did some other reviews and people said it's pretty complete. Don't quote me. Let's see, what's this? Okay. Something in German, I believe. There's something about batteries. I think it's to do with the LiPo battery. I don't know, maybe this was shipped from, or I don't know if that's German or Swedish. I don't know. It looks pretty German to me. If anyone wants to comment below, please let me know. But I believe that's for the battery. So, alright. Decent in the actual box. I mean, I would have padded the box, you know, if I was going to ship the thing. Pretty decent foam. Got a serial cable here. Power cable, Allen wrench, 2 screws, I'm not sure what they're for. Oh, fused. This one's fused. RJ45 mic cable. 2 males not hooked to the mic is separate. I don't know, maybe you can hook it into something else, I'm not sure. Pretty lightweight. Oh, it's got your frequencies all on there. You don't have to really check into that. I was going to say there's some DATMF tones, but no, this is not a 2-meter radio. So none of that is going on. A lot of buttons. I guess you can program a lot of them, and I'll figure that out here in a little bit. Oh! What a lot of people don't include. A programming cable. I mean, usually that's an extra $50 or depends on where you're getting it or whatever, but I mean, it feels pretty lightweight, but if it does what it's supposed to do, then I'm happy. I mean, boom, that saved me some money. That looks about it. Oh, jeez, what do we got here? Oh, nice weight to it. But I mean, not too much. You can definitely put it in a pack and do SOTA, but I mean, we're talking 20 watts here, automatic tuner. Looks like there's some built-in heat sinks around it. We got some crash cages here, whatever you want to call those. But yeah, if you were to drop it or something. What is that? Some styrofoam. Okay, none of one of those fancy screen pull-offs that I'm aware of yet. If it's there, there's no tab. But yeah, obviously here's some size comparison. Right here, it's about, let's see, 3 beer cans. If you were, I can't tilt that too far, but I'd say it's about 3 beer can size. Pretty sweet. Here's your don't void your warranty label. Okay, so connections. Looks like you got an earphone, and then your, I believe, a data port or whatever to update your head and whatever else that your comm port up there does. PL259 connection, so no adapters depending on your antenna. Ooh, that's sweet. Oh, right on. Look, there's a ground knob. So you don't have to, yeah, ground screw. You don't have to have your Phillips or whatever and strip that thing out. More radios should, yeah, that's a good feature. I like that. So you got a key port, COM port, IQ, accessory. I think it said it was 3 or 4 pounds. Oh, and you got your mic jack over here. Speaker up top. I haven't done the sound on it, but I've heard really good things. Hopefully I'll come up with a later video. Packing inside, same deal. I should have just, if they would have put this box inside another box with about this much more packing around it, that would have been way better. They did have free shipping, but I would have paid an extra 16, 12, whatever, 15, 20 bucks to have a little something thicker. Yeah, there's not even really there's no bubbles. You hear any bubbles popping? They're micro bubbles. This is the Chismo bag. Otherwise, so far so good. Well, I haven't plugged it in, but to be continued.